show you. Need the sunglasses today, do we? It's snowing out a bit today. It's February 19th. Behind a snowplow. Just going for a quick little drive. I have my puppy with me. We just got back from the vets. Or we just went to the vets, I should say. I'm trying to get my windshield open up so you can see. Right behind the plow truck. You probably don't recognize this drive. This is the same way we went before. But I'm going to turn this way. We're not going to see the creek this time. Oh, there's our street sign. Tells you where I am. Corner of Box and Squashville. The wipers are a pain in the butt, but if I thought of it, I would have turned it on sooner. Turn the heat on low. It is 21 degrees. Crack my window a little bit so I can get rid of the frost. Now my car was absolutely covered with snow. Just from sitting at the vet's office for an hour. It always takes an hour at the vet's office. I don't understand why that is. Let's just do another little turn. I'm sure nothing's coming. Nothing is. This is a pretty road. Can you see that there's nobody here but us as far as driving goes? No other trails. For the sounds, but it's another part of winter. My hands are so cold sitting up here holding the phone. Actually, these woods go behind my house. Up here's the animal shelter around the corner. It's called Esterville Animal Shelter. If you have room in your heart for another dog, this is a great place to come. My bus run used to go through here, and I didn't like it at all because I had to look at the babies, all the homeless babies every day, a couple times a day, and it made me sad because I wanted to adopt all of them. But my little girl here that I have is a royal pain in the butt. She doesn't like other dogs. So I can't really have another dog with her. Maybe a puppy. She might be all right with a puppy. But ever since our big dog went, got another one going here. There's the animal shelter on the left where that gentleman is shoveling. Puppies are down there on the left. Hey, looking down there because I want to take them home with me. They have a bull over there. It's amazing the animals I have here, but this is just a country drive. Windshield. There we go. That's better for now anyway. I don't know how long that'll last before stuff starts getting on it. And yes, I know I'm driving in the middle of the road. I always do on unclean roads. If I start to slide, I want enough safety to be able to stop without sliding into something or off the road. Slide off the road here, you can see you're going to be stuck or hit a snowbank depending. We're just taking a drive in a circle around town. This is Greenfield Center, New York. Not doing any metal detecting again for a little while anyhow. So this is how I fill my time. Just keep pumping these out. Actually, my husband and I love watching the driving videos in Florida, in the area we're planning on moving to. So I'm assuming anyone that's interested in this area or country life in upstate New York will be interested in watching these videos. Just hoping they're gonna bring somebody pleasure. Someone's gonna enjoy watching these. Okay, hopefully we can stop here. Yes, we can. We have really good snow tires on. They're called Blizzaks, and they're excellent for driving in snow and ice. And right now, our driveways are an absolute sheet of ice because it snowed on top of the ice. We had a warm day the last couple of days, and it made a lot of water that's on our driveways and our yards. And then, of course, yesterday, last night, and this morning, it went to the low teens, mid-teens, and so everything froze up again. And all that ice is hiding under the roadway, which isn't the best for driving. It is beautiful to look at. Nice area. Your birds out there. Springtime's coming. We are on break, our February break, our winter break from school, so I have this whole coming week off. Wednesday, we're planning on taking a little ride south, me and the gang, the metal detecting gang, to look for a lost gold coin, which is going to be awesome. I can't wait to try that. That's off the edge of the road. Somebody went off. It's hard to see where the roads are this time of year until the plows come through. That's why you need to be careful, because your tire, if it goes off that side of the road, it can sometimes set you into a spin or get you just stuck right off the road. So be careful with those. These are just quick little videos, not long ones, not like the other ones. Because I do have my dog with me, the little one. Sometimes she gets car sick. She's not a big fan of riding in a car, are you, baby girl? And she's a big fan of parking, aren't you, baby? We just went to the vets to update her shots. That's all. She's in fine health. She's a little on the tubby side. She doesn't look it, but she's 42.7 pounds. That's a lot for a little dog. That's because her daddy gives her so many treats. She loves her treats. Yes, she does. But isn't this beautiful? It is a beautiful drive, and I will miss this when I'm in Florida. I won't miss freezing, because right now my feet are frozen. The shoes got cold and wet from walking in the snow to get into the car. This is an uphill incline. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, on the dog. We just recently, in the last couple days, bought something called an Apple tag. Oh, that's a good spot to stop, right on the top of a hill. Bought something called an Apple tag. Oh, crap, now my husband's calling. Gotta go. All right, back again. Oops. Phone rang, so that kicked me off. I guess that's kind of a bad thing about using my phone. I should use my spare phone that isn't connected. We're almost home, sweetie girl. Oh, I was telling you about the Apple AirTag. AirTag? Yes, AirTag. I'd noticed on social media sites dogs getting loose and being gone for days before they find them. And I was asked on one of the social media sites for animals if anyone has some type of a tracking thing that they use that doesn't have a monthly service fee, that you don't have to change the battery all the time, that you don't have to charge every week, and that works even if your dog's hundreds of miles away. And a couple people suggested the Apple tag. It's only 30 bucks. I had to buy another $10 item to put the tag into because it doesn't have any holes or anything. And I put it right on the dog's collar. I have it all set up on my phone, so if for some reason she gets out or gets lost, I'll be able to find her. And considering how cheap it is and no monthly fees, it was well worth it. Heck, I've spent more than that on dog treats in a month. Those greenies, they're very good, but holy smokes, they're expensive. All right, that's all. Moving on. Anyone want to go metal detecting? Looks like a great day for it. What do you think? Sun shining. There it is. 21 degrees. I like the thing with the sun. That's pretty cool.